Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to clear all data on the Mint browser app on your mobile phone. This is useful if the browser is slow, not loading pages correctly. First, open the Mint browser app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon. After that, scroll down through the settings page until you find the option called Clear Data. Then, tap on Clear Data to see the available options. Next, choose Clear All to remove all browsing data from the app. Finally, confirm your action by tapping on OK, and the Mint browser data will be completely cleared. Now you know how to quickly clear all data on the Mint browser app. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.